Welcome to Craft Time with the Houston Public Library. I am Catia Souza and we are making flower craft with tissue papers. This craft is intended for school-age kids. You will need for this craft project one roller, one pipe cleaner, 3 sheets 12 by 6-inch sheets or larger of colored tissue paper and scissors. Step 1. Prepare the tissue paper. Stack 3 sheets on top of one another. 1, 2, 3. Line them up and cut into 12 by 6 inches. For larger flowers, you use bigger sheets and cut to your desired size. Step 2. Make accordion folds. Start with the shorter size, in this case the 6-inch side, and make a 1-inch fold to start off an accordion fold. Keep folding and turning over the paper until you have an accordion style narrow strip of your tissue paper. Step 3. Round the edges with scissors. Be sure to trim both ends of your folded tissue paper stack. This will help your tissue paper petals have a rounded appearance. Step 3. Add the stems. To ensure the stem is centered, fold the tissue strip in half and place the green pipe cleaner at the fold. Loop the stem around the middle of the folded tissue paper strip. Twist the pipe cleaner onto itself to hold the tissue paper strip in place. Step 4. Gently peel open the layers. Starting on one side, begin opening up the tissue paper folds you made. Be sure to pull apart the folds evenly from both ends. Final step, Step 5. Separate the tissue paper sheets. Gently separate the tissue paper sheets to unfold the petals of your flower. It will quickly begin to look like a beautiful blossom. Tip: very young children may have a hard time with this part, so you may want to do this step and then have your child fluff the petals once you are done. But even if it doesn't look perfect, it will still be pretty, and your child will love showing off her flower. Thanks for joining Craft Time at Houston Public Library. Make sure to share photos of your completed craft online and tag us using hashtag #ILoveHPL. See you next time!